Okay, so the exhaust has been installed, new gasket, and now I'm installing all the lifters. And I mean, there were tongues. I'm way ahead of the game, but there's like 1,000 little tiny pieces. Every single one of them. Every single one of them. I cleaned it individually. Oops, we don't want to lose that piece. I cleaned them individually, and let me tell you, this project is looking really good. Look at this, how nice and polished all this came out. It's almost like new. So now I had 2 more bullets here. Each one of them was cleaned thoroughly with degreaser. And yeah, last 4 pieces. And we are back in business. And after this, I'm ready to install the camshaft housing. So there you have them. Very nice. Look at these, nice and polished. Looking good.